Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to transfer XRP to Trezor Safe 3, full guide. First, connect your Trezor Safe 3 to your computer and unlock it, then open the Trezor Suite or compatible wallet. Verify firmware and bridge updates and enable XRP support in the wallet. Generate or import the XRP account, copy the receive address, and confirm the address on the device before sending any funds. Make sure your Trezor device is fully set up and the Trezor Suite is installed and updated. Open the app, follow prompts to add an XRP account, and accept any necessary permissions. Review the device screen to confirm the derived address matches what the app shows. If you plan to use a different wallet, connect the Trezor through the wallet interface and verify addresses on the hardware device. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more clear crypto walkthroughs. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof meal prep containers are handy and oddly satisfying when organizing long sessions at your desk. Check the description for the product link and other deals that help out the channel. Thanks for the support and for sticking with the video. Now let's get back to the video. When you are ready to transfer XRP, always send a small test amount first to confirm the receive address and tag. Enter the exact amount, include any destination tag if the recipient demands it, and double-check the address characters on your Trezor device. Approve the transaction on the device, then watch the ledger or wallet for confirmation. After the test succeeds, proceed with the full amount with the same careful checks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.